So this is kind of going to be an update of an older video. I did a review of two Greenlight 1/18 scale 68 Mustangs. This is the 68 GT hardtop. I actually completely tore this car down and did a little repainting on it. First off, my version, the chrome around the rear reflector, not reflector, side marker light in the back was not painted. So I painted both of them. This side does look a little better. On the underneath of the car, I painted the transmission cross member. It was chrome, like the exhaust. I didn't bother changing that. And I painted the transmission. It was black. Surprisingly, these cars are very easy to take apart. With a little screwdriver, just pry off the tires. I detailed the 390 engine a little bit. I detailed the water bottle over there, windshield washer fluid bottle. I painted some parts silver. I was trying to get the whole engine out and just repaint it, completely repaint it Ford blue, but it was it kind of looks like the suspension is because when you take it all apart, let me show you. When you take the car all apart, I took it completely down to just the chassis, and there's two screws on the top. Took these out, and this part comes off, and which holds the wheels in and stuff. But the oil pan is like mounted to the bottom of this chassis, and then the engine's on top, which it could come off, but I kept on prying and prying out. And I think you can kind of see I did crack the oil pan there, so I left that go. On the inside, I painted the gauge cluster, and that part over there, this says Mustang. It's not really right, but I kind of messed up on the lettering, so I just decided to do it all because it's not very accurate to begin with. It does have markings, like a texture on the dash there. So I was going to do it in like a wood grain, but I didn't have paint, so I just left it the black. Turned out pretty good, a little bit better detail. And the console, here, I'll turn it around. If you watch my original video, the console is way far away from the top of where it connects. This ain't perfect, but it's a little less gap. I basically just there's two plastic, what's this called, tips, nipples, tits, whatever you want to call them, that puts it that hooks it into the floor pan. So I pried it out, cut them off, and then just glued it up closer. But what I probably should have done was put it back together and then just butt it up against, but still that wouldn't work too well because the glove box door was all the way down to the thing, which, I don't know, these cars, I thought they were great at first, but they're very not detailed well. Yep. So I thought that would be a nifty little update video. I probably will need to touch up the silver a little bit more, especially this side. So remember, if you like this video, ooh, my hand's in the way. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, favorite, click that little bell up there, here, somewhere, to get notifications when I post some more videos. This video is a little late. I went to Chiller Theater tonight and met some famous people. Lorenzo Lamas and Steven Weber from The Shining miniseries. Pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.